What if I told you we can complete through-hole soldering for an entire PCBA in just a few seconds with perfect consistency? This is wave soldering, a core process in our PCBA production, designed to support high-volume assembly for global OEM and ODM clients. On our production line, every PCBA begins with precise flux application to remove oxidation and ensure strong, reliable solder joints. The assemblies then pass through a carefully controlled preheating zone, protecting components and stabilizing the soldering process. Next comes the critical step. Each PCBA passes over a wave of molten solder, completing all through-hole soldering in seconds with high efficiency. With advanced equipment and strict process control, we maintain consistent quality across every batch, even in large-scale production. The result is clean solder joints, strong connections, and industrial-grade reliability our clients can depend on. If you're looking for a dependable PCBA manufacturing partner for OEM or ODM projects, Custom PCBA is ready to support your next production.